Hello there, this is a walk through the GovFeeds app brought to you by Public Square Analytics. So to start, this is what GovFeeds looks like once you're signed in. You can see we have a simple just text box where you can type just a search filter. You can see some trending searches of just what people are posting a lot recently. So if I go in here and I type tourism and then I press enter, this is going to filter and show me all posts that mention the word tourism between March 19th and April 27th, 2026. So you can see there were 568 posts that directly mentioned the word tourism from a number of different municipalities. The other thing we could do here is to filter, and we could see just all posts that mention tourism that got high engagement, or any engagement rather. So we'll just do all 5. You can filter 1 to 5 stars of engagement, whether that be low or the highest performing in terms of engagement. So it takes just a second to buffer, and you can see that of those initial 568, a little over 300 got some form of high engagement. So here we see examples of high engagement posts. These are just sort of 6 featured ones. The other thing you can do is to change this to a list. And then you can see just a few more. You don't get to see sort of the thumbnail preview, but you can still see a few more of these posts in sort of a grid. The other thing we offer is you can download these posts as a CSV and put them in an Excel file or your data analysis tool of choice if you're interested in doing some further analysis with our data. Or what some people like to do is throw that into an AI tool and have the AI tool use or do data analysis for them. Finally, we also have these analytics at the bottom. So they take a little bit of a second to load, but you can see posts per day. You can see sort of weekends tend to skew this result, but you can see what days people are posting them with the most references to tourism. You can see certain hashtags that people are posting, that municipalities are posting. Oftentimes it's sort of just their own town, but yeah, hashtag places to visit had 3 hashtags in this, or three mentions in this data set. You can see a word cloud with top keywords. So this one takes a little bit of a second to load, but you can see just sort of words people are mentioning in posts that also reference tourism. Or you can even see, this is going to take a second now, but you can see engagement trends of sort of over time how engagement is changing with mentions to tourism. And then finally, you can get some sort of engagement insights and even a themes tree map of how what themes. Obviously, most of it is sort of events, recreation, parks and tourism, economic development, that sort of thing. So yeah, this has been a walkthrough of the GovFeeds app.